Today I'm going to be showing how to resolve the Windows Update error 0x80070422. This pertains to if you're trying to update Windows using an installation pack or another kind of update, and you're running into this error and you're not able to run the Windows Update. This tutorial will cover how to hopefully resolve this issue for you guys, and it's going to be pretty straightforward. So we are going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in Services. Should be listed as a desktop app, so you want to left click on that. So on this list, you want to scroll down until you get to Windows Update. Once you find the Windows Update service, you want to right click on it and then left click on Properties. Underneath Startup Type, left click on the little drop down arrow and make sure it's set to Automatic. Up at the top, underneath the Recovery tab, left click on that. Underneath First Failure, make sure it's set to Restart the service. And then left click on Apply and OK. I'm going to right click on it again and then go underneath Properties to make sure your changes have been saved. You want the startup type to be automatic, and underneath the Recovery tab, you want the first failure to be set to restart the service. Make sure you click on Apply and OK the first time you do it, and make sure you save the changes. Once you're done doing that, you want to left click on Start the Service up at the top left here. In order to start the Windows Update service once again. And if you right click on it and then go underneath Properties, it should say Service Status Running. If for some reason it says stopped, you would left click on the Start button right here, but because it is running, this option is grayed out. So once you're done doing that, you can close out of these windows and then try to run the Windows Update again, and hopefully it should work for you guys. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.